This is a recording for my year threes who are doing jungle walk through the trees and in the sun. When you want to start playing jungle walk, you need to make a nice left hand shape. Imagine drinking your water bottle like that. That was my right hand, so I'm going to use my real left hand. And we're going to place all 4 fingers down onto the D string. And you can feel the string if you bounce up and down on your trampoline. That's it. You should have 1 finger on a red sticker, your 3rd finger on the next sticker, and your pinky on the last sticker. So pressing down firmly with 4 fingers together on the D string, you need to pluck the D string. Rest. 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 1 bar of nothing. 1 bar of nothing. Then to play through the trees, just take off 1 pinky finger, your pinky finger, and we have 3 fingers down on the D string. Again, pressing firmly, and it should sound like this. Feast, 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 feast. 1 bar of nothing. One bar of nothing. Then take off the 3rd finger and the 2nd finger, and you're left with 1 finger on a red sticker, and that is E. So you're playing E, 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 rest. E, 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 rest. E, 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 rest. 1 bar of nothing. So that's the 3 songs from the Jungle Pool series. Jungle walk through the trees and in the sun.